In this video I'm going to share how you can earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 a day with simple copy and paste. Now this is incredibly easy to get started with, and this whole method can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. Now for this you can do this without any experience or special skills. You know, it's pretty simple to get all this up and running. So if you've been looking for an easy way to make money online, then make sure you watch this video all the way till the end, because by the end of this video you will know exactly how this works, how to set everything up, and basically how much you can earn with what I'm going to share with you. So keep watching and we'll go through this incredible method to make money online with copy and paste. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I've got an absolutely awesome method to share with you. It's incredibly simple and easy, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to get all of this set up step by step. And once you see the potential with this, I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. Now very quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome, and to everyone else, thanks for coming back. If you're looking for some free resources to earn online and work from home, then go in the description box down below and you can get access to some of my free courses. There's a YouTube course in there, affiliate marketing, and lots more. So with that out of the way, let's jump over onto this website over here. So let's come over here. So this website here is called Upwork, and this is a freelancing website. Now if you do not know what a freelancing website is, people come on here and they post jobs when they're looking for, help, or they're looking to get someone working for them, a bit like this example here, hiring an editor for a YouTube channel. And they'll come on here and they'll tell you a little bit about the job and how much you can expect to get paid. So this example here, they're paying $200. This example here, they're paying $1,500, and another example here is they are paying $50. So there's lots of opportunities over on this website. You can see they've got web development, mobile development, design, writing, customer service, marketing, and lots more. But this video is about a copy and paste method, so this is what we're going to focus on. So if I come down here, let's just take note of this. Looking to hire an editor to edit videos for our YouTube channel. Scripts and voiceovers will be provided for you. To you for the edits. The only requirement of this job is that you're willing to find a variety of visual content ranging from clips, GIFs, and images that will keep our viewers basically watching the video. So they're going to give you pretty much everything. Your job is to go out on the internet and find images and videos and piece these all together. That's this one example here. The other example here, which is 1,500, look at this. I will make the scripts and the audio. I just need someone to edit the video. So again, they're going to give you the script and the audio. You just need to go ahead and edit this. Next one. Look. Scripts and voiceovers will be provided for each video. And then they just come down here. Look, the only requirements for this job is that you create visuals for the video using a combination of clips, GIFs, and images. We can provide a platform if needed, or you can take care of that yourself. We do require that all videos obviously fall within YouTube's fair use guidelines. So this is just 3 examples that I have found over on this one website here called Upwork. And if we come over here, let's just go onto the Upwork homepage so I can just show you this, because if I just type in here, let's just type in YouTube. I'm sorry, it's not right. Let me just type in YouTube. So you can see here, I'm sorry, I've done that incorrectly. Let me go on to jobs, type in YouTube again, and search for this. You can see there's over 5,000 jobs for people who need some help over on YouTube. And you can go through, I mean look, 7 minutes ago, 12 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago. There's people posting these jobs on here all of the time. And this is just focusing on YouTube. You could go and look at lots more. But the thing that we're focusing on today is the fact that they're going to give you the script and the voiceover. This one over here, again, you remember, they're going to give us the scripts and the voiceover, scripts and the voiceover. So they're going to give everything to us. Our job is to go ahead and literally find a variety of visual content. Basically, we need to find images and video clips. So normally, what would be required of you is you would need to go on Google, and this isn't what we're going to do. I'm just going to show you how people may normally do this. They'd come onto Google and they would type in free video clips. And they would come over to all of these websites here. I mean, you can see, look, there's currently 12,100 people searching for video clips every single month. And then what would happen is they'd come over to websites like Pexels, Pixabay, and many more. So let's just go into one. I'll show you what you would normally have to do. So you'd come in here and you'd search for a free video related to the script that somebody is giving you over here. So let's just say, for example, they're giving us a script related to, I don't know, let's just say dogs, for example. Someone's got a channel on dogs. So I'm going to hit that in there, and you see these videos here. Look, I could go ahead and download this video here. I could download this one, etc. And what you'd have to do is you'd have to go ahead and read the script that they've given you, and then go ahead and find related images and videos by trawling through all of these different websites. So it's not very time effective on your behalf, and it would take up a long time to go ahead and do this. So instead, I said to you that this is about copy and paste. So they've already given us the script, they've already given us the voiceover. We're just going to copy that into a piece of software, and that's it done basically. So if I come over here, this is inside of the software that I'm using. You can see I've got a lot of content in here. So I'm just going to click on create new video. Now watch how simple this is. So basically here, these are all sorts of templates that you can use for this. So we'll just go with this one here. I'm going to click on use template. And this is a template. So I'm just going to go on here. I'm going to type in Upwork example. Now here, bearing in mind they've given us the script, so we would paste their script into here. So I'm just going to put in this text here, what I've got for one of my YouTube videos that's coming up. I'm going to click on create scenes. Now what I love about this software here is it works, as you can see here, it works incredibly quick, but also the video that it creates for you, it's very related to the keywords that are included within your script as well. So if you scroll back up to the top here, you can see here, find media, and then you've got upload. So on the left hand side here, you see this? These keywords here, they've been brought out from your opening line of text here. So if you don't like this video here, for example, in this video, we can click on video clip, and we can go through and have a look at, any of these videos that we like. So if I could like that image there, then that goes over there. Then I scroll down to the next slide. I'm going to share how you can make money on Complete Autopilot. So let's just click on Make Money. And we can go through and have a look at these different videos of making money. If I didn't want to use a video, I could click on Images. And I can click on Make Money again, and look. If I wanted, like, say, this image here, then this goes over here for us, and it zooms in and out. Now, why I use this software and recommend this software is they've currently got over 800,000 videos and images built into the software, and you can use all of these without any problems. A lot of these images and videos, they're taken from a website called Storyblocks, and then they also go over to free websites, and they bring all of that into one piece of software to make this easy for you. So all you do here is we're just going through and checking that the background video matches our text here, so our script. So let's just change this. Let's say we was doing a video about dogs, for example. Let's just type in dogs and go. And then again, we just scroll down and we find the clip that we want to include, and you click on it and it goes over here. It really is that simple. Now, if any of these keywords on here you don't like or you don't want to use, you can simply type in your own on here and search for this. You can go through clips, you can do images. If you wanted to, you could upload your own, but I wouldn't recommend that because it's time consuming and it's not copy and paste. So basically, you put in the script and it imports over here, and we go through and we select our videos. Then let's say if you had a couple of slides where you didn't want the text on here, you can simply come up here and you can hide the text. So on this slide here, for example, there would be no text. If we scroll down to the next one, then we've got this here. If you wanted to maybe change the position of our text, we click on the middle, or we click on the top, or wherever basically. So let's put it back at the bottom. If you want to underline, any part of this, so like for example, if I want to share results, I go here and I click on underline, And look, that underlines it for us. Or if I want to make it italic, then I do this and it makes it italic. I can make it bold if I want, I can make it unbold. I can play around with this as much as I want, really. So basically, you paste the script in here, you go through, you check that the images or the videos match up to the script. Once you're happy with that, you scroll down to the bottom and you click on Add Voice Track to your video. Now on here, look, you would upload a voice track, because if you remember over on Upwork, where was it? Yeah, look, scripts and voiceovers will be provided for you. All of these on here, they're providing you with the script, but they're also giving you the voiceover as well. So on this bit here, you'd simply click on Upload a Voice Track and you drag the file on here. Then their voiceover would go on top of the video. Pretty simple stuff. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to go with no voice. And I'm going to click on Preview Video. And then here, it will build the whole video for you with their voiceover on top of the video for you. And then on here, you can literally just preview this. So you can click on play. And you can see, you can see how this looks, how it will sound, and if you want to change any part of this, if you want to include some background music, then you can do. You just hover over these here. You can filter this via mood. You can go into genre. You can put a watermark on here. You can go into options here. You can select how long this each scene's on for. You can do music volume. You can drag this down and make it as loud or as quiet as you like. But once you're happy with this, you just click on Looks Good, Continue, and then basically it's going to go ahead. Look, your video will be generated in high definition 720p resolution, and then you've got some images here. So you see here, this presentation contains images that were used under a Creative Commons license, and then if you click there, it will take you over and it will show you where those images and videos were used, or where they're from, So you can see on here, look, this video presentation uses This is the specific image which is used under Creative Commons. So that is the video done. So I think you'll agree, it's a very simple process. It is literally, we copy what we get given from the people over on Upwork, we paste that into Vidnami, we paste in the script, we upload the video file under voice, and then we just click on Generate Video. So if I just click on there now, it starts creating this video for me. And then it takes a couple of minutes, and then you can download it onto your laptop, your PC, whatever. So it's pretty good, I think you'll agree. And this is just one way you can use this software to make money. But as a simple copy and paste method, I think you'll agree it's pretty awesome. And over on this website here, Upwork, we've looked at 3 examples in here. This is just one freelancing website. There are many more. You can use People Per Hour. You can use Upwork. Just go on Google and type in freelancing websites and you'll find hundreds of these. So in terms of this software, how much does it cost? Well, there's a link down below and you can get access to the software and a lot more for a lifetime deal. You can see you get 25% off Vidnami for life, and it will cost you $35 a month. Now in terms of this $35 a month, what do you get? Well, if I scroll down here, you can see you get 25% off Vidnami for life, so this saves you $144 a year. You also get access to Storyblocks Video Clip Library. This here, it'll save you $468 a year, and it includes 790,000 premium video clips. You also get Storyblocks music tracks, and again, this will save you $180 a year, and you get over 30,000 music tracks. Now if I just take this here, and I'll just show you this so you can see that this is actually true. If I go over here to Storyblocks Video Clip Library, come down here, look, let's just go down. Where is it? Sorry. Let's just get rid of this. Sorry, let's just go to Storyblocks so you can see if you was to go to this website separately, how much it would cost you over here. So click on Plans and Pricing, and then we scroll down here to Storyblocks, so video only plans. So if you wanted to come to Storyblocks and just use videos, it would cost you $16.58 a month. Now I'm in the UK, so this is UK pricing, but in terms of dollars, that would be about $19 a month just for the videos. If I scroll further down, you've then got the unlimited audio. This here would be £12.42 a month. So you could go ahead and purchase these separate from Storyblocks, or you can literally get it all included with Vidnami for $35 a month. So you get the software, you get the video clip library, you get the music tracks, and then they've also thrown in these additional things. So here they show you 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet. So effectively, over on Upwork, all of these on here, these would be clients. So in this ebook here, which would normally cost you $49, they show you 21 ways to find more clients. There's also an ultimate video blueprint, ultimate video traffic blueprint. Now these templates here, they're responsible for over 7 billion video views. So you can use this software to create your own YouTube channel. And then look, there's lots more bonuses on here. You've got a YouTube SEO cheat sheet. You've got a 5-minute Facebook ad formula. You've got how to convert your phone into a pro video camera cheat sheet. Again, so basically you get all of this and it'll literally save you $1,365 and you're getting this for just $35 a month. So a little over $1 a day and you get all of these bonuses here, but more importantly, you get the software, the video clips, and the music tracks. And look, do you think you'd be able to get this, $35 a month going over onto Upwork and looking for jobs like this one here, $50? That would be your subscription back and then some from this one simple one here. Or you've got this one over here, which was, what was this one? This was, this one over here, This one was $200. And the previous one we looked at was $1,500. But as I said, this is just one website. There's over 5,000 jobs available on here related to YouTube. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below for me. But overall, as you've seen, it's a simple and an easy method to make money with simple copy and paste. So there'll be a link to this lifetime promotion down below for you. If you want to go ahead and check it out, please feel free. So yeah, have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.